Hello, I'm Oscar. In the next minutes, I'm gonna be showing you how you can start an online business and how you can earn a free trip for you and your family without having to invest huge amounts of money or having previous experience. I've been developing online business since 2015 and I was an industrial engineer, and during all my career, I was told that the only way to earn an income was to work for someone else, until I found entrepreneurship and online business. Thanks to a close friend of mine who showed me a video like this one, who was teaching how other people were earning income and developing skills on the online space. At the moment, it sounded like a crazy idea, but then I took the decision to take it serious, and over the last 8 years, I've been able to help over 5,000 people and travel over 25 countries to show people how they can also develop the skills and be part of this amazing industry of the online business. So here we are today in 2025 with a brand new opportunity of a US company that is expanding worldwide. It can teach you how you can not only learn, earn, travel, and also have a better health with what we call the JIFU model. So JIFU is the name of the company, which is based in Idaho, US, and it stands its name for a higher life. What we plan to show you here is not only how you can increase your income, expand your experiences, but also better your health. So JIFU was founded by a third-generation billionaire called Matt Garf. His family is well known for having car dealerships in Utah, such as Ferrari, Porsche, and really famous brands. So we have the right financial backup to develop this business model. So Matt had the vision to bring a really successful C-suite, led by Kyle Copeland, a really successful CEO of a previous company who took it from hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales to billions of dollars a year in sales. He brought amazing individuals, not only in the operation side, in the marketing side, and digital product side, and I'm gonna be showing you what they prepared here in JIFU for all of us. So JIFU focuses on 3 verticals. Number 1, we're gonna have education on how you can develop skills and earn an income through the online business, such as a trading space, e-commerce, AI, and more. Then we have health. You know, everyone wants to look healthier, wants to look younger, and JIFU has a product line that helps people not only look better, but feel better. And number 3, we have the travel. JIFU was born as a traveling company, and it has a really strong offer for everyone that joins this membership. So if you want to learn how you can earn a free trip just by being part of this membership, I'm going to be showing you during this video. So let's talk about education. JIFU Live is our e-learning platform. This really excites us because it's the industry that we've been part of during the previous 8 years. Here, you're going to be able to learn not only about the biggest trends on the financial markets, such as Forex, cryptocurrency market, futures market, but also about the biggest trends such as e-commerce, Amazon FBA, social media marketing, and we're going to be launching as well an AI education platform. Here, you're going to be able to access a videocast of these different topics, but also you're going to have live mentorship. Through our platform, JIFU Live, you're going to be able to access on live sessions with different teachers in trading, e-commerce, and many other areas such as credit in the US, real estate, and many more to come. So if you're wondering, do I need to be an expert to start in this business? No, you can learn, and the good part is that you can earn as well. So we've developed this app called Tap to Trade. This app is gonna be sending you alerts, and you're gonna be copying it automatically just by clicking to your trading account. This will give you a performance such as an expert. So you don't have to be an expert to earn from this business. While you learn, you can earn as well. Something really important with our trading experts is that they're being audited every 3 months. So you can tell that their results are real and that you're copying truly professionals in this area. JIFU Health. This vertical of the business is really successful through our all European teams and also in the US, because these products are formulated and they can be sold through all the world, but also you can earn a 30% commission on each product that you sell. These products include collagen, include a skincare treatment, which is really popular worldwide, energy drinks, antioxidants, and a lot of products as well in the US market, such as coffee and many more to come. So remember, you can earn up to 30% on commissions by reselling this amazing product. Last but not least, we have our JIFU travel platform. This was really attractive for us because something that we call an irresistible offer with this platform is that they were gonna give you access to a free voucher for you and 3 family members on an all-inclusive hotel in different parts of the world. This is a 4 to 7 night stay in different hotels. The only thing you need to pay are taxes and insurance. You know, no one can save from taxes. So these resorts include a wide variety in the different parts of the world, either if it's Europe, North America, South America, or Asia, and many other exotic places. You can visit them with your family, and guess what? If you stay in the platform during 1 year, you're gonna be able to earn another free trip. So the value of these resorts per night goes through $700 up to $1,000 per night, and you're gonna get access to this only by signing up this platform. But that's not all. You can also access our JIFU Travel app. This will get you up to 75% discounts on more than 1 million hotels, but also cruises, flights, car rentals, and tours. This is an amazing opportunity not only for you to travel around the world, but also if you have a vision of creating a traveling agency, you can use this as your provider. And you know what's the best? Not only you can take advantage of this, but JIFU will give you access to 50 free trials every single month for you and your family members or friends that you have who want to try this platform. The most amazing part is that they can save money, and also you can earn income if they save money. JIFU has access to this really successful platform where you can give your friends a free trial, and if they save money, you can earn points that you can even convert to cash through our traveling program. So imagine that not only you can get discounts, but your friends and family as well, and you can earn from that. So you might be wondering if I need to pay thousands of dollars to access this JIFU program. Well, not necessarily. You can get access to our e-learning, trading, and traveling platform only by paying $299 membership. This not only gives you access to all the education, but 50 trials and also the free vacation voucher. This really excited us because not only you're gonna be learning a new skill, creating an income out of it, but also you can take your family to a trip somewhere in the world and take full advantage. So this is our basic program, but also we have other packages as well if you want to try our products. For example, we have a $1,000 package that will give you access to some of our products, 100 free trials, and more benefits. And then we have the Founders Package that is $2,600 and will give you access not only to unlimited free trials, a big amount of products from our product line, 2 vacation vouchers for you and your family, and also will give you access to our Founders Pool. So our Founders Pool means that you can get access to a share up to 2% of the sales of the company that are split every 3 months between all the people that purchase this package. To unlock these benefits, you only need to sign up 5 people with the Founders Bonus Package and you will get access to all these benefits. We also have 3-month and 12-month education packages that you can pay upfront and you will get a special discount when you become part of the JIFU environment, when you become part of the JIFU program. So something that really caught my attention is the monthly subscription fee, because JIFU will give you full access to all of our education and all of our benefits in the travel programs only by paying $185 a month. This is a really competitive price compared to anything else that is in the market. And you know what's the best thing? If you want to save those $165 every month, the company has something called the 4 No More. So this means that if you recommend this to 4 friends or family members or people in the internet and they sign up, you're gonna get access to your free membership every single month. By being part of the JIFU membership, not only you're gonna get access to all the education, but also you're gonna be part of our community. And this is something that people love. You're gonna get the right follow-up and also mentorships and the blueprints that have helped thousands of people become successful in this business. So here, you're gonna be able to make commissions from the community that you create around the JIFU platform. How does this work? This is an affiliate marketing model called network marketing, where you're gonna get paid by bringing another students into the platform. So for example, the company is gonna give you certain goals. You're gonna be earning certain income. For example, if you bring 14 people to your community, building 2 teams, 7 on the left and 7 on the right, the company is going to be paying you an extra of $700 a month by creating these communities and reaching these certain goals. This is how people worldwide are building business through their social media, YouTube, and other online platforms just by the power of a click. So if you want to learn more about this program and all the JIFU benefits, talk to the person who sent you this video and ask all the questions that you have. I know it might be a lot of information at once, but believe me, this is once in a lifetime opportunity. If you don't have a business online in 2025, let me tell you something. It's not the business of the future, it's the business of the present. So if you were looking for a plan to create an extra income during this year and the next 5 to 10 years, here is it. This is a successful business that is working all over the world, and you don't need previous experience to be part of it. So if you want to sign up today, you just need to fill out the form and you can pay with credit card, debit card, or even crypto. So don't let this opportunity pass by. Talk to the person who sent you this video and let's start on the online business world. So remember that the best opportunities come in life just once, and not always come when you're just looking for them, but they find you as well. So welcome to JIFU, welcome to the family. See you when you're already part of this amazing community.